honestly, I was not gonna film any Christmas or holiday videos because like we just put decorations up today and it's Christmas Eve, and there's like some lights and this little tree. We don't even have a tree up, and we put all this stuff up this morning. And then they bought these like Christmas cookies, whatever. And I just, usually I'd be happy and excited and stuff, but I'm just not. But I went to the store earlier, and they had gingerbread houses. So I'm just gonna go back. Our house is all over the place. We've got bags, ornaments, more bags, a Christmas box. It's kind of cute though. We've got gifts that are not wrapped yet, bags on the sofa. Yeah, we're just not prepared. Like I was saying before, I wasn't gonna post anything, but I just like, it's $10 at the store, why not just buy it and do the freaking video, because it's Christmas Eve and people are coming over here to wrap their presents, so why not? You know, it's Christmas Eve and I'm not doing anything else, so I might as well just, you know, put together a freaking thing. Hopefully they're not sold out, because with my luck, by the time I get to the store they'll be gone, because that always happens to me. Nothing ever goes my way or how I want it to go. And actually right now one of my friends are on their way, because she said that she wanted to drop me off a Christmas present. So nice. But I got her a little present too. I don't like taking gifts from people and not giving them stuff back, so I don't know what she got me, but I got eyelashes. They're brand new eyelashes, and I put them in this bag, and some leg warmers. And I feel like that's not too big, but it's not too small either. No, because we're broke over here, so yeah. So I'm waiting for her to get here, and then I'm gonna go to the store and get the gingerbread house, and yeah. Also, this is our first year not putting up a tree, and I honestly could care less about it. Like, you put the stuff up and then you take it down, and it's just like a waste of time and energy and work, because all our stuff is in the attic and like nobody wants to do that. And then the fact that they put decorations up today, like we have a new wreath, and then, oh my god, the door's locked, and then we put bows on the windows. But I'm just like, it's Christmas Eve, why did she wait until freaking Christmas Eve? And then she bought that this morning. She literally went to the store and bought that this morning. But if you see the little bows and stuff, and I'm just like, why would you put it up? That's cute. Like, why would you put it up Christmas Eve? Christmas is tomorrow, and we're just gonna take it down tomorrow. So like, what's the point? Like I said, there's no children or small people in our family anymore, and I'm about to be 19 in 2 months. So like, what's the point? We don't really need it, because we're going to somebody else's house for Christmas. So like, why are we like, what? Anyway, I'm still waiting on my friend. That looks like alfalfa. But anyway, when she gets here, I'm probably gonna film that, and then I'm gonna go to the store, and then I will see you when I'm at the store. No, yeah, I'll film in the store, and I'll film her, and then I'll finally get to the freaking gingerbread stuff. I'm so sorry I'm not prepared. Okay, I just lied to you all. I forgot. We actually have Christmas cookies. She bought some Christmas cookies from the store. Where are they? They're somewhere. She bought, and then we're probably gonna be cooking a bunch of food today. Anyway, she bought these Christmas cookies. Well, they're not Christmas cookies, but they're for Christmas. I don't know why, but I'll probably film me making those after a gingerbread house or something. I'm not making, because I really did not, I was not going to make any Christmas or holiday videos because I don't care about it right now. Like, I don't care. So yeah, I'll probably film that. But if I don't be surprised because I have to help cook all this food. I don't know why we're cooking. Anyway, I'll see you when I see you. I don't lie again. One thing that I do want to mention though is like a lot of people for Christmas like ask for like electronics, expensive gifts, clothes, shoes, bags, whatever. But one of my aunts, she's always asked for like home necessities like toilet paper, paper towels, deodorant, lotion, soap, house cleaner. Like she's never asked for a gift. She's asked for like gift, like not like gas cards or like milk and eggs, like just regular daily things. And I think that's so like, it's weird, but at the same time it's smart because like she has like everybody buying her toilet paper and it just kind of like makes you humble yourself. Like, do I really need this stuff or do I need like stuff that like I use every day? Like they got her Dove soap and paper towels and it's in this little gift bag and she asks for that every year. So like when you're like thinking about asking for gifts, do you really need those things? I'm not trying to preach or anything, but I'm just saying that was just really interesting to me and I just want to share that. Like, because a lot of people say that that's weird, but to me it's just like, it's humble. You know, it's not extra, it's useful, and then you don't have to spend your own money on stuff. So like, if everybody's buying you stuff that you need, you can actually go out and buy stuff that you want yourself without, you know, breaking your pockets. But yeah, I just want to just share that. Back to the video.
So I just took a test. Oh my god, I look ugly.
Literally, if you know me, whenever people ask me what I want as gifts, I say candles and roses. And she got me this peppermint candle, and it's so cute. And she gave me this little Santa Claus chocolate. It's so cute. And this card. It's so cute. Literally, if you see me hang out with somebody, we have history. Like, I literally have been through so much with all my friends. This literally makes me so happy. Like, for real, really. This is so cute. Thank you. Oh my god, it's so cute. Like, literally, we've been through so much. We played soccer together for like 5 years. We met a long time ago. We've been through a lot of stuff. Like, I can't even talk about half the stuff we've been through, but I really appreciate her coming here and giving me this. Friendship, especially if the friendship is real, it's hard. You know, sometimes you don't want to forgive people, but you know, it's worth it anyway. Anyway, I'm about to go to the store and get the freaking gingerbread house because that's the point of this video. But yeah, and I'm also doing laundry. So yeah, Merry New Year's Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. Okay, I swear I'm about to go to the store right now, but when I say I love candles, I really mean that. Like, I have 7 of them right here, and then I have incense. I have like a whole little session and some angels. This one is from my grandmother who recently died, and I've got pictures of people, incense, and I just have like, these are oils. And now, put this one up there with the rest of them, so now I have 8. Okay, I swear to God, I'm going to the store right now. I swear to God, if these freaking houses are freaking broken when I get in the house, we're gonna have a problem. Because that's something that would happen to me. That is something that would happen to me. There's 5 mini buildings. and I just have a feeling that they're broke. But this is why I should not come to the store, because now I'm buying stuff I didn't come here for. And then I see some air fresheners. I like when things smell good, so I'm about to buy some air fresheners. Oh my god, they have candles. See, now I'm just buying things just to buy them, because I did not come in here for New Year's stuff. I don't even have plans on New Year's. Why am I buying New Year's stuff? I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts. I just spent $23 on freaking Walgreens, and all I was supposed to get was a freaking house.
I'm making a gingerbread house. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Granny and granddaughter making gingerbread houses. Ta-da! Christmas is coming and Christmas is here. Everybody get ready for fun and cheer.
I knew they were going to be broken. I said that.
Well, that's all right. We're blue.
I know.
We're blue.
I knew they was going to be
No,
broken.
that's one little piece.
I know, but that always happens to me.
We need, is icing in there? Oh,
Yeah, it's right here.
oh.
They put sprinkles in there.
Yeah, however you're gonna make it.
Sprinkles
Oh, and this is the icing
and
bag.
dots.
We need a scissors.
There's some I
Can you
think
warm
that's
this
her.
up?
Warm it up.
No, I just maybe like mush it.
No, we need it to stick on the stuff.
Oh, see,
It has to stick together. Hello? What? Yeah. Okay. I literally said that in the store. I was like, this is probably going to be broken.
We need, what you call them?
What?
We need scissors. Why don't I get scissors?
I'll get them, but I... No.
It smells good.
Aren't these they're graham crackers, right?
No, the gingerbread.
Thought it was graham cracker. It smells like a graham cracker.
Wait a minute, I get to pick one I'm making?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how does that even go together? Oh, like that.
Yeah, I think that piece is supposed to, like...
The good thing is 5. We don't have to use that piece because it's 5 houses. We don't have to use that. This kind of looks like... Doesn't that look like your house in a way?
Yes. Just need red bows. And a Santa outside.
No. Yeah, this is getting thrown out.
Do we need all that? No, I think we can leave the pieces in there. So we can just get them
Yeah.
out as we need them for whatever house we're making. We gotta decide what house we're making. We can put them together.
I'm going to use this as
Like
a reference
this.
of what to make it
Right.
like.
And then we know what we need to do in terms of breaking them.
Are you making a grandma house?
No, I'm just trying to... Doesn't it have no directions?
Yeah, on the back of it.
Oh, good. Because we will not do well without them. And there's stuff in here. Something in... Oh, this is the broken cookie we pulled out. I might use that. I might eat that. King and decorator bag.
That's what it looks like.
Okay, so it's telling you how to cut the half an inch
Cut what?
off the decorator bag. Make a
This is
small opening.
technical difficulties.
And then squeeze out entire pouch of pre-mixed icing into decorator bag. I'm gonna smush this while you...
Why? It needs to stick, not be melty.
But it says to squish it.
Oh, we should put the icing in here first before we cut it.
No. I don't know. Now here's
We should put it in there before we
it
cut.
says after. It says squeeze the bag out. It's not gonna come through until you push the bag. The icing won't come through. Because it says twist bag at top and move the icing into the icing tip to make ready for use. Okay.
Blah,
So
blah.
when you put it in there, it's gonna be up top. Oh, you giving me that job?
I mean, I can put it. No, you
Give
only
me
put
the
it in there
shitty
now.
job.
We don't even have.
I'll take it.
Did you
put it
pick
in
your
there.
house yet? What kind of house you?
I'm not sure. I think they all kind of. I want the little one. I want the little penthouse.
The little
The
penthouse.
Jeffersons. Yeah.
Oh my god.
This one, the little square one. Or is that the broken one? Wait a minute.
I knew that was gonna. I said that in the store.
Yeah, I want the flat top. Let's see. How do you make the square one? Oh, okay. Workshop assembly. Pipe
I haven't made one of
lines
these
of
in like
icing along
years.
left and right sides. Okay, which one is that? I don't know which one it is needed. I can't even read this. Where's that? Where's that at? A, B, C, D. Where's that one at? I don't know what that is.
Just throw it in the bag.
Is this? No.
This little nozzle on it.
None of this looks like these pictures.
I know it doesn't.
This is
I
going to be
think
interesting.
it's only. I don't know. We're about to wing this.
Stand panel up and attach panel B as shown. What is the flat piece? There's no flat piece. Does it sit right here? This must be the flat top, I guess. And then this is the flat place. We're not supposed to cut this, I don't think.
Maybe we are.
Oh, I think it goes like this.
Yeah, and break it.
No, we need something to like a good knife. You know, you can't cut. Oh goodness, here we go. All right. Pipe lines of icing along the right. Okay. You think that's right?
Yeah. It has to be because that doesn't make sense otherwise.
All right. Wait a minute.
What did I do?
But I'm trying to see if this is right. It don't have a floor in it, right?
Cut them.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you just. Okay, this is should have a flat. The cranberries
Anybody
at
want a piece
Stu's
of pizza?
freezer. Oh no, thanks. Ooh, Litos.
What
I
is
got my
that?
house ready.
You need
It's-
icing.
Yeah, but I mean, I got it. I put a Band-Aid on it. It'll be all right. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you're
I can wrap
supposed
my
to
gifts
do
in
it.
my pajamas.
It's
later.
mini.
Huh?
Mini house.
Wrap your gifts in your pajamas.
Look at
Later.
that.
At my house. While I drink my
And they
eggnog.
said mini. They really
Yeah,
meant
that's
it.
true. They call it.
You call it microwave.
So how does it work? Or you can get a weave with nobody sewing it in.
They clip the extensions into your hair with a bead.
A bead.
I can show you to you.
No, you don't do it so fast.
What did I do?
It's not. You gotta make sure it's done right. You're just squeezing it, and it's not going right. Yeah, it was. Look at that. If you just take it slowly, it does it right. Look.
Like you're a gingerbread house expert.
No, not at all. I just don't want to have a mess. I ain't no expert.
Why there's a trash bag.
I was wondering why y'all had a trash bag.
Look at all these crumbles.
You want to see the $895 sweater I got for $78?
Yes, ma'am. Show it to us. This was the house. This was the sides, right? Did we say this was the sides?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't put no juice on the edges of this.
Let me give it to him now that God made him have an accident.
What? You didn't make him animal.
I said God.
Oh,
Love, leave me alone.
I don't think mine's just gonna hold together.
You gotta put it on the sides, man. You ain't do it right.
What?
That ain't right. You're not supposed to stick on top of it. You're supposed to stick on the side of it.
What you mean?
Look at Davis.
Oops. Don't
It's
look at
supposed to be-
mine.
Hers is falling down too. That's
It's
like.
supposed to be on the side like that.
Yeah,
Stick it
you're
to the
not
side.
sticking it
You're
on
not sticking it on
top.
top.
Oh, I'm not.
No.
I mean,
It's sticking there.
sticking now.
Mine's just sticking.
I thought it was going on the side, so it's level.
You ain't that level?
Sure.
I don't know.
This is your gift that you asked me to order.
Oh, okay.
What? What are you giving that to me for?
I thought you was gonna glue me up.
Oh,
Fired.
glue you up. Did you leave your door open?
Mm-hmm. Well, just stop the call.
She getting a new toilet on Christmas. That toilet they took out of
I
there
got
was
half
mighty
of
gross.
hers.
Maybe that's what they.
Did you taste the icing? People do that while they're cooking. My house is up. Do I want windows or brick?
I don't know.
It was good to hang over there every day. I don't know.
Huh? What'd you say?
I said it was good to hang out with them and like not a party setting.
Oh, cool.
Mm.
I like John and him. You know.
Dawn was there.
Yeah, I like him. I always said I told you I like him.
Dawn was there and Chris was
In
there.
my
Dawn was there too?
house. I don't
Oh
have
my
no
God.
furniture.
Dawn is always at her house, isn't she?
I'm sorry,
Mhm.
but y'all are talking about people
Oh, Matt's mother, that's all.
while I'm recording.
No, don't touch mine.
It
Oh,
looked like it was falling.
you putting this on Instagram?
I mean, I can play music so nobody will hear it. I'm not putting it. I don't even get on Instagram. What are you talking about Instagram? YouTube?
you.
What?
Oh, never mind.
What?
We're gonna lose the icing out the
You gonna really
top.
like my gift there.
For me?
Ooh, it's, you see,
Ma.
you need to make it go down. We're gonna not have enough.
This is good. I was starving.
I see. You wolfed that down. When
I
last
eat all
time you
day.
ate? Ooh, it's coming out the hole.
I had a bagel at 8 o'clock this morning.
You just are ridiculous.
I am not doing nothing. I'm just telling you how you lose icing.
Would you ever go on a cold vacation with like skiing and cabin?
I have, but I don't want to no more.
Yeah, we
Why? When
that.
did you do
Yeah.
that? When did y'all do that?
You wasn't.
Born? Was I
yet.
born?
I think she was coming.
You might have been here.
Was she? She might be.
No, I
don't
might
know.
have been here.
I might be showing in 7th grade. 6th grade.
Mhm.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How did they Shauna meet him? You saw people. Nobody know none of their business when they gave out that
I don't
game.
know.
I don't think nobody knew how
I
they
really have
met.
to play music.
Huh?
Or who said I
Sit
love
down.
you
I
first?
really have to play music.
We ain't know nothing. I ain't know one answer. All I knew is his name.
Oh my god.
You a butcher.
My house fell apart. My house fell apart.
Yeah.
Look at my windows. I don't got no furniture. This is like what people use for
The change you going from?
the
You want
little
them?
cartoon things
I want to get one half
when they
off.
make those little.
I don't know where he got them. They've been there for a minute.
What am I supposed to use for this roof?
Find something.
How?
Look at mine. Yay.
They can't see yours. They can't see it.
What
You gotta
you
move it
mean?
in the camera. They can't see it.
Ta-ta.
Our mini.
You're now
Mini mansions.
becoming a home.
I'm gonna get copyrighted for that. Stop
For
singing.
the roofing
I'm
man.
gonna get copyrighted. Is that a real song or are you making that up?
Making it up.
Oh. If you sing songs on YouTube, they'll copyright you.
Whatever.
I'm just
I'm
telling
making
you.
some junk up. Call the roofing man. That makes
So they didn't
sense.
have any extension cords.
Oh, look at yours.
Well, where'd y'all get yours from?
Marvin got them.
Oh, those? They didn't have that in there.
Marvin got them.
You didn't have any extension cords?
They didn't have nothing in
I'll
there.
go
I'm
on.
supposed to put my tree in. It's not going to be a magic.
Can you turn that off, please? Can you turn that off,
One. I'll give you
please?
one of mine.
Hello?
He's about to stretch it.
I'll just unplug the TV.
I don't know what I'm supposed to put it. Oh, I'm done. Like that. Oh, that's cute.
Yours is having issues.
No, it's not. How am I having issues? Because I'm going to get copyrighted.
Oh, Lord. Copy.
And then I can't. I'm
Give
serious.
me. Oh, yeah, right.
You don't know how YouTube
This is so
works.
cute. Ta-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh,
I don't think we're going to be able to make two.
Dashing through the snow.
Push it.
And a one horse open sleigh.
Oh no.
What are you supposed to make too?
You make 5. They're mini.
You're not gonna be able to make
What does
5.
that
Ain't no
smell?
way.
Oh.
The cranberries?
I don't think I'm gonna put it back on here because they can't see it. I'll
Put
just
it
leave
back
it
on
open.
it.
Leave it open.
Mommy house last time.
Some people take
Did you
this
look at some?
kind
Did
of
you
stuff
look
very
at
seriously.
her house?
Look at whose house?
She wanted to play music because I can't say the name unless you play music.
Oh, S? Yeah.
Yeah. Wasn't it pretty
I didn't see it in person, but I saw it.
on the picture?
Yeah.
Mommy showed it to you?
Yeah.
I was trying to find it. We couldn't find the house. I couldn't find it.
She didn't know where she was going.
I didn't know where I was going, really.
I don't know why you wanted to see it.
Because I just wanted to just...
She asked what your opinion was. She was
Oh.
like, what am I saying?
Yeah, I'm happy for her. I'm really happy for her.
Oh, Ma. Oh. Okay.
She was like, what am I saying?
I'm happy for her. I really am. I'm delighted. I like it.
She told me I couldn't tell nobody yet. And I said, I can't even tell mommy.
Tell who?
I'm not telling
Who would you
somebody.
tell?
Because she ain't closed yet.
So
I'm just
what?
taking her away.
She's gonna close.
Yeah, they got their date. January 24th.
Oh shoot, that's quick. Yeah, her mom's gonna miss her.
Her dad said he's trying to get adjusted to it already.
Yeah.
I'm about to decorate. I'm about to just put sprinkles because I feel like
So you think he's going to propose at closing or their first night in the house? How you think he'll look?
I have no idea. Maybe want to live with her under the roof for a minute.
No,
Yeah, they
signed
say
into a
you
real
don't.
Contract.
Huh?
They signed into a real contract.
What you mean?
Ain't no getting out of that.
What you mean?
They ain't a real contract. That mortgage is that's a contract.
I know that. I'm happy for her. I really am happy for her.
Shut
like
up.
her,
I'm
too.
putting sprinkles on it.
Ew. Yours don't look like mine. Yours got issues.
Oh, yours has issues.
Section 8 housing.
First of all, I'm tired of being abused.
You being abused.
Yeah,
Look
verbally.
at mine. That looks good.
They can't
first
see
time
your
granny?
house. They cannot
Huh?
see it. They can't see your
Oh.
house.
That's because she had
You gotta
mine,
put some
because
gumdrops.
It's more cuter.
Gumdrops
than
on it.
hers.
I'm not that pressed.
Mine's
Trust me.
cuter. She needs cuter. My cuter. My
Let me
cuter.
see you decorate it first.
I don't know what I want to do.
Yeah, I'm sure you don't. All that mouth running.
Oh, yeah, she's gonna be smart to me.
There's some sprinkles in.
Can I have the scissors, ma'am?
You can't rip it open like a G.
Like a G. What's a G?
A gangster.
Oh, a gangster. Wait a minute, I want to run some icing up in the little hole if I can.
Why, you putting some gems there?
I'm gonna put something up in here to hold it.
Can I have one? What even is this? I've never even seen this.
What's that?
What kind of candies? This is sour candies?
I don't know what it is.
It smells sour. Hmm.
So what happened to your mom and everybody doing? They just chilling?
No, the Amber's making some soup, some chicken soup, and getting the salmon ready for tomorrow.
Oh my goodness.
Brown sugar salmon, brown sugar bourbon salmon,
Huh?
bourbon salmon.
My house looks like a trap house.
Put it in the refrigerator.
Look like a crack house.
A trap house.
What's a trap house? What is that?
He don't know nothing.
Where they,
I don't have to know.
where they make the drugs at.
Oh.
Stash the money.
Don't it look like that? Look at it in the camera.
What's this here?
I don't know what this stuff is.
Oh. I almost sent it. I don't know. I have to look. She said, I think there's a half of a cake in there too, and I might just put something in the
cake?
freezer. Yeah, she had,
I don't have room for all this stuff.
her friend made it. I'm gonna put it in the freezer.
She said she
Save
might
for
come out
New
tomorrow.
Year's. I might save it for New Year's.
What's going on with her?
She said she didn't know yet. When I talked to her, she said she'll let me know in the morning.
You shook.
Now, I try not to say that because then if I tell you that, then you might think she's really coming. So you have to bet on the
No, but the
negative.
fact that she said that she might is just like,
That's nice too.
Ma, what?
That's what she just said.
Oh, I was just trying to
Could
get.
have told me.
Oh, well, I
What?
could have told you. Told you what?
You should have known that.
No.
No.
No, shh. Even if you sing a song off beat, they'll still copy.
Oh, really?
I'm telling you, their rules are getting out of hand. You can't do anything. Like, literally.
No, this is somebody's gift.
Look at my house. Ooh, look. It got sprinkles coming out.
This is Tony's gift.
She's trying to design it on.
Do we have paper and
Design it on.
Paper?
nice.
No.
and
But
bag?
I'll get it. I don't have to. It's up to you. If you want to get something done while you're here, something here, and I can go right upstairs and get it. It's at the top of the steps.
The scissors and tape and everything? Paper.
I'll get it. What you need? Labels.
Tape
There's tissue paper.
and tape.
Smiling circle.
What's she doing?
Get me bags, big bags.
Do I need to go get some more?
No,
No.
I don't think so. I told her I could leave and go home and wrap this stuff in my house.
Your hair is different.
Yeah, I took my braids out.
Uh-huh.
It'll be different tomorrow too.
Okay. See, y'all going out for dinner?
It's Michael's birthday.
Oh. And?
He's 15.
She like to cut the tips off the string beans, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take my jacket off.
Some rope or what, Jay?
No.
Oh.
Why would I come over on Christmas? That's stupid.
Stu Smacker.
Yeah, okay. It was funny. But y'all can't stay up here while I wrap my gifts. Cause y'all might see. And then
And then
you brush
nothing.
your hair today?
Did you brush your hair today?
No.
All in his head.
Did you brush your hair today?
Yeah, I did.
Alright.
Thank
good
you.
for you.
Stu
Who
Smacker.
took your line back like that, Stu?
Uh-huh.
Who took your line back like that? Come here.
What line?
Your hairline.
Stu
Who took this
Smacker.
line right here?
Stu Smacker.
I had to go.
Huh?
So go to the top of the steps and get that bag right at
Tell
the
them
top.
don't do that no more.
Who?
The barbershop.
What did he do?
They took his line back right here.
Oh my god, oh my
They
god.
look good when he first came and got it done. I still think it looks good.
It don't look bad.
Yeah.
I didn't say it looked bad. I just said they took his line back a little bit.
Okay. Do me a favor, Stu. Go to the top of the step and get that bag for your sister. Right at the top of the steps.
Are you out of breath?
I told her what he did. It ain't no big
When
deal.
does she ever listen?
Never.
And he needs to hang his coat up. I don't know why he always thinks he's in the
Okay.
in the
Ma, I'm
Okay.
recording
She's recording for the YouTube.
Yes, he-
for the YouTube. Look at my second house. Look at my second
I'm
house.
getting you a clean spot.
We can't play music while I'm recording.
Getting you a spot, my love.
Is Starbucks open tomorrow?
Starbucks.
Is Dunkin' Donuts open tomorrow?
I don't know.
Is that my box?
No, that was the one you told me was the earrings.
These are my two houses.
Matt,
You
you
didn't
want
finish
the
your
tips off, that's it, and work down the middle.
Oh, thank you. No, you don't break them down the middle. Just cut the ends off.
ends off.
This was something else?
Say what? Oh, Lord, help me, Jesus. That's cute.
This the sweater.
Nervous?
So,
You have enough room? You want, why don't we stop? Ma'am, no, when you finish the photographing.
No, no, no.